Today's tool is a Rekenrek. What do you notice about the Rekenrek, and what do you wonder about the Rekenrek? If I move things around on the Rekenrek, what do you notice and wonder now? Something I notice is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 5 red here. 5 and 5 is 10. I notice it's the same for white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 10 white. And if I put this row together and this row together, I have 5 red and 5 white. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I also notice 10 and 10 is how much? 20. There are 20 in my Rekenrek. That makes me wonder, how could I use the Rekenrek as a mathematician? What kinds of math could I do with it? Discuss with your classmates and teacher what we might do. Let me have a think. If I have 5 cookies or biscuits to share, I have 5 biscuits, and let's say my friend has 7 biscuits or cookies. They have 7, 5, 6, 7, and we want to put them all together and share them together. We could figure out how many we have all together. I could count them all, but I'm wondering if there's a faster and easier, a more efficient way to count them. What might we do? Well, I know this is 5 and this is 5 and that's 10, and then I can count on 11, 12. What's another way I could count these? Maybe I do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you have other ideas? Talk about it with the people around you. Enjoy using the Rekenrek. An activity that we can do with the Rekenrek is called add up. I need a Rekenrek and 2 dice. I'm going to roll the dice. I got 2 and 2. I can use that however I want to make 2 and 2. I can make 2 and 2, or I can make 2 and 2. It's really my choice. I think I'm going to make it this way. 2 and 2. How much is that all together? I'm going to add up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. I can play with a partner and they can take a turn. They got 3 and 2. How might we do 3 and 2? Maybe I want to move it this way and use the white counters. Let's see. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 more. 3 and 2. Add up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, I know that's 5 because I have 5 white and 5 red. Keep playing and adding up with the numbers on the dice. This is a fun one. 5 and 4. I can keep 5 and 4. I have 5 white and 4 red. Or I could do it this way and do 5 and 4. How do you want to do it? Go ahead and enjoy the activity, add up. Another activity we can play is called take away. I can play with 1 die or 2 dice. I'll show you both ways. If I play with 1 die, I make sure I have all my 20 Rekenrek together and I'm going to roll the die. I got 6. That means I'm going to take away 6 from my 20. So I'm going to take away 5, 6, and I have to figure out how much is left. Well, I know this is 5 and 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is left, so I took 6 away and I have 14 left. You can also play it with 2 dice and take away 2 dice. Ooh, 5 and 4, so I can take away 5 and I can take away 4, and then I have to figure out how much is left. Well, I know all the red is 10 and 1 more is 11, so I took away 5 and 4 and I have left 11. Enjoy playing the game Take Away. Teachers, here are some tips for you with the Rekenrek. The Rekenrek is really good for building counting strategies and moving from the count all, counting every single one, to count on. And the reason the Rekenrek is so powerful for this is because of all the number sense and the way you see numbers on the Rekenrek. Because of the patterning of the red and the white, and it grouped in 10s and 5s, there is so much number sense and the way kids see those numbers with the patterns of this tool. Likewise, because it has the 5s and 10s and 20s, it really enhances their connection to friendly numbers. And because it has so much number sense involved in this tool, you can actually build efficiency pretty quickly for students. So this is my most favorite tool in the world for mathematics because there is so much number sense involved. For learning engagements, if your students are ready to start connecting from the building with tools to writing some number sentences, you can give them a framework in which to do so. So as they roll the die or are building, you can say 20 is the same as what and what. And so as they build that or roll the dice, 20 is the same as the 6 and the 14. Or I start with 20, and what did I take away? I took away 6, and that's the same as, now I have 14 left. So you can start building in some of that symbolic, that abstract number sense with frames like this. Likewise, you can help them transfer their understanding from one tool to another. Using the Rekenrek, if they've rolled the dice or they've built with it, you can have them then build that same concept on the 20 frame or build that same concept onto a 20 chart. So making the connection and the transfer of that number sense and the relationship of the numbers to a different tool really builds strong conceptual understanding. Teachers, enjoy using the Rekenrek. By far, it is my favorite tool as a mathematician.